Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're sort of positing the question, does Thailand really want to see high real estate prices? And this kind of came to my attention in a recent article from ASEANnow.com. That's legacythaivisa.com, but ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, Give Foreigners 30-Year Visas for $1 Million Investment and Watch Land Prices Skyrocket, says Phuket Group. A Phuket real estate group has thrown its support behind plans, let's be clear, plans that have been presented to the government to attract 1 million foreigners to Thailand. Quote unquote, they claim this and other measures would result in land prices on the southern Thai island rising by up to 3 times. And it does kind of beg the question, I see this a lot, and I don't think that people that kind of look at this really sort of look at it from the broad perspective. And what I'm saying is I don't think they really stop to take a bird's eye view. Yeah, I definitely think folks that purchase real estate here in Thailand definitely want to see the value of their investment go up. And I definitely think that a lot of real estate agents and developers and things want to see the real estate market boom. But, you know, Thais, the public in Thailand generally, and I would argue certain sections of the government, because they're responding to the public's desires, if you will, or the public's needs. I don't know that they necessarily want to see their real estate prices skyrocket. I think it is concerning for any country's people and for any country to see a section of to see someplace become basic, to see their own people basically be priced out of the market for their own real estate. And I think that's oftentimes a major concern here in Thailand. And it's not one that I think that a lot of folks in the real estate industry or foreigners in general really take into account. In fact, I think a lot of foreigners, when they're just kind of looking at it, think, oh yeah, you know, higher real estate prices is great for Thailand. Well, is it? I mean, if no Thai or the vast majority of Thais can buy a villa in a certain area, I mean, does that necessarily help Thailand? On one level, I'd say yes, it does. There's tax revenue associated with that, creates jobs, the real estate development industry, etc. But on the other end, you know, again, do locals really ever want to be priced out of their own real estate market? And I would say oftentimes a lot of people would say no. I think reasonable people can disagree, but it's definitely an aspect of real estate in Thailand that I don't think foreigners always look at.